Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gerald Ntiwunka, an IT analyst, computer instructor, and the founder of Gerald IT Academy. You are watching Gerald Ntiwunka online IT class, where we break down IT concept step by step. In one of our previous lessons, we explained about the very two components that make up of a computer devices, which is the hardware and the software. The hardware is the potential, while the software is the instruction. As a potential, we have so far lectured some of the hardware, internal and external devices in about 6 of our videos. Today, we are going to talk about the software component, which is the instruction, the operation system. Now, we are going to introduce the operation system. That will be our first lesson on this topic. Learn how computers manage hardware, software, and users. For a computer system to function, 3 very different things need to work together: the hardware, the application software, and the human being. Because these 3 are so different, it is impossible for them to communicate with each other directly. Now, let's all see the learning objectives we have today. Is to identify key functions of an operation system, to understand what an operation system does, and to recognize different types of operation system. Learn how operation system interact with hardware and the software. Now, what is an operation system? We are going to give 1 or 2 definitions about the operation system. Operation system, OS, is a software that manages computer hardware, computer software, and the users, and allow them to interact with each other. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer's hardware. Operation system, on the other hand, is a core software that manages all the hardware, all the software resources on a computer, acting as a bridge between the user and the computer's physical component, allowing them to interact with each other and use the device effectively. Operation system is a program that manages a computer resources, especially the allocation of those resources among other programs. Operation system manages memory and processes. It controls hardware and devices, provide user interface, and file management. Now, the core functions of an operation system: process management, memory management, device management, file system management, and users interface and security. What are the types of an operation system? The batch operation system, time-sharing operation system, distributed operation system, network operation system, real-time operation system. Now, the examples of popular operation system are the Windows, the macOS, Linux, the Android, and the iOS. How operation system work in real life? Booting up your PC, opening apps on your phone, saving a file, printing a document, and connecting to Wi-Fi. Now that I have pointed out all these things so far, let me use a little time to explain exactly what an operation system is. We have a chip that is in the PC called ROM, ROM. That is the name of that chip. Read-only memory is the name of this chip. It is found in a PC. And in this chip, there is a software that is embedded in this chip called the firmware. It is responsible for booting up your computer. It is also responsible for opening apps on your phone and saving a file, printing a document, and connecting to Wi-Fi. Unless this computer is boot up, nothing will happen. So this firmware that is embedded in the ROM is what is called the operation system. That is the operation system that we are talking about. That is why I said I have to explain it to make sure you know exactly what the operation system is. It is a core software that manages the hardware and the rest of the software. When it boots your computer, every program, applications, they will come up, they will run on your system. Everything will start to work and function very well. That is the work of operation system. Remember, what we are doing here is the introduction. So we have therefore introduced the operation system. In our next video, we will talk about the types that we mentioned here, types of operation system, and also the functions of the operation system. So this is what we'll discuss in our next video. Let's recap. An operation system is a software that manages hardware, software, and user interaction. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer's hardware. Its core functions include process, memory, device, and file management. There are different types of operation system: the batch, time, sharing, distributed, network, and real-time. The popular examples include Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. We will make a different video on these topics and explain them one after the other. But meanwhile, today, remember that the operation system is a platform, is a program, is an interface. It is a connection. It is a core software. It is responsible to boot your system. So let's look at these questions. Quick knowledge check. Go through these questions. Question number 1, what is the main role of an operation system? The answers are there and the explanation are there. So you go there, it will give you the answer. The second one is which operation system is open source and widely used in servers. Go through it. Third question, what does memory management involve? You go through it. Then the other question, which operation system is commonly used on mobile phone? Answer it. Then after this, what next? In the next video, types of operation system will be explained. We will explore batch, time sharing, distributed, network, and real-time operation system in more details with real-world examples, features, and comparison. Therefore, stay tuned and subscribe to get learning. I hope you got the questions. If you have, drop them in the comment section. Now, thanks for joining me today on Gerald IT Academy, broadcasting from Gerald Ntiwunka online IT class. I hope this operation system lesson helped you understand how computers manage tasks behind the scene. If you found it helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more clarity, practical IT tutorials. Keep exploring, keep building, and I will see you in the next class. Bye.